And so now that I could even ask you, which is kind of cool, which one do you like better? I'm gonna pop these right over
Well,
here to keep them safe.
it's kind of hard to say because I've only ever used Androids.
Yeah.
And like people say, like people that are huge, like diehard Apple, they're like, oh, it's too complicated. Like it's just too much. I don't really think that's true. If you're used to it, I think it's just like anything.
And doesn't it allow you to do more
You
like
can customize.
customization?
Yeah, that's the thing about Android.
That's the one thing I didn't like about Apple. You know, that you can't customize.
Yeah, and I guess for me, I don't know, when I have like phones, I don't really customize a lot per se.
Yeah.
So like that's really a feature that I don't really necessarily need. I don't need to be able to customize everything. Because I usually just keep I keep things on default. The iPhone just feels really smooth.
Nice.
And it's really like simple. I don't know.
Yeah, absolutely, it is. And so, is this your first iPhone?
Yeah, it's first iPhone. I've had Apple products in like a long time ago. Like I had a first gen iPod Touch, like back when that came out. But after that, I think I had like an iPod Nano, and then that was the last Apple product I had. And I've been diehard like Samsung for a long time. I think they make them and Apple probably make the best phones.
Yeah, their screens are elite.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know. I'm just trying this out. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna go back. I still have my other phone, so. But like all of my friends, everyone has Apple. I'm like the only one with a Samsung. But I do like the way the iPhone looks, like the build.
The design of it's better.
Yeah.
Suits you better.
Suits me better. Yeah. I do like the new Galaxies, but maybe down the line. We'll see. I'm gonna try it for like 60 days. See how I like it.
Stick it out probably.
Yeah.
Just because they're pretty fire. And their cameras are elite.
The camera, yeah. That's another reason I got it. I mean, the camera on my old phone was really good too, but I noticed that every time I see a picture of mine next to like an iPhone camera's picture, the iPhone one looks just a little better. It's like minor things, I think. I don't think it's anything huge.
Mm-hmm.
Some people are just like diehard. They won't try anything else, but.
So if I was like, you know, wealthy or whatever, I would say, hey, I'd try every single one of them just to see which one you like. Good.
Oh, yeah.
I wish they do a little tiny phone again that flips out the bottom to talk or something like, you know, I wish they do something like how Nokia had that phone a long time ago.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different phones out now. I mean, for the longest time, it seems like it was just Apple and Samsung. But there's some other pretty cool ones out. The Pixel looks pretty cool.
I haven't really seen that one. What is that one, by Apple?
Google. To Google.
Oh, yeah, by Google it is. That's
Google,
right.
yeah.
That's what I meant to say.
The cameras look pretty good on that one. I have a friend that has one. It's a huge phone, but that's why I got the iPhone Pro. I didn't get the Pro Max because I think it's just massive.
Yeah, that's where I'm with you on that. I kind of like a smaller phone.
Yeah.
How does this one film that? Does it feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Did you get new stuff?
I just switched brands. I went to this higher end brand came out. Shout out JRL.
Oh yeah.
They're fucking straight fire, revolutionizing the industry.
Nice. You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just, you know, I'd used the ones I had for a long time. They were fire as well, but it was, you know, time to go into some new ergonomics and.
Yeah, for sure.
And these ones are gas.
Are you always kind of like on the lookout for what's coming out?
Yeah. And not to mention, so the only reason I was able to switch is because the clipper company that I like used a lot of the time.
Yeah.
I used one of their, you know, lower selling clippers, one of the ones that wasn't sold much because it was so expensive.
Yeah.
And they're hard to use. So it's like I never got a sponsorship from them. So it's like I just dumped that company off altogether and jump onto this one, start using this one, and
so far so good.
Hopefully JRL recognizes, you know, the big dog in the game and
for sure
starts sending me some shit and bust a review on it or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, my YouTube channels will be monetized soon.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. You upload pretty regularly?
Oh, now I do. Big time.
Oh yeah.
That's when I started finding the most growth now is like, it's like, oh yeah, your consistency was key to the growing of it.
Yeah, for sure.
I have over 1 million views.
Nice.
But better than that is you have to have 4,000 watch hours. This is the last level I need to complete. I already have enough subscribers and everything else. I need 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. So in 1 year, you have to have 4,000 watch hours.
Okay.
And I'm more than halfway there.
Oh really?
I think I have 3,500 and something already.
Oh, nice.
So like another, 15, another, another, I think it's like, I have 2,300 and something actually. So another like 1,500 to go or whatever.
Oh, hell yeah.
Watch hours. So it's like, and I could break that down to how long it's taken me to get those ones. But I'm like, oh wow, you also moved to the snail's pace to get those ones. It's like bust a video out every day.
Right.
And that's what,
And that's so you can monetize?
yeah. So
Okay.
once I reach those 4,000 watch hours, just say one video blows up,
Yeah.
you might reach them right away.
Oh yeah.
You never know.
Right.
But every day I'm, stacking those hours. But
Yeah.
the only problem is those videos that you did over 365 days ago, just say 366 days ago,
Yeah.
you lose the watch hours for that.
Yeah.
So it's like it has to be within an actual year.
Right.
I kind of like that though.
Yeah.
Makes it harder to get.
For sure.
Because like anybody can, it's like go viral on a video, older video, just say your old video picks up a bunch of views. It won't help you get monetized.
Oh.
Just because, just say a video that I did 2 years ago picks up, picks up 1 million views. It won't count towards monetization because it's past the 365 days.
Oh, okay.
So
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you just get 365 days to reach it.
Oh.
So like, and how that works is that you say, oh, well, you only get 1 year and then they kick you out of the program or something. It's like, nah, you just have 365 days of watch hours have to amount to 4,000 hours. So it's like if once you, every 365 days, a video that's older than that, you'll lose the watch hours for it.
Oh, okay.
So it's not like it's 4,000 watch hours and, 10 years of videos.
Oh.
You have to have a year's worth of videos in the 4,000.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
Do you see what I'm saying? Though?
Yeah, no, yeah, for sure. I don't think I'm subscribed to you. I'll subscribe to you.
Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah. And now I'm it's like, damn, dude, even at home, I'll like sit there and pop on the videos to give them some watch hours.
Because I'm on YouTube all the time.
It's almost like I almost want to construct fucking just playing the videos at my house and leaving it on the plate. Just having that thing play.
Yeah, you could do that for sure.
And you know what I mean? At least gain some watch hours there. You'll only be, what's hard about it is 4,000 is a lot. Because if you think about it, God, if I watch my videos for 8 hours, I only get 8 watch hours.
Yeah.
4,000 is a grit, dude.
Yeah.
That's how it's almost like, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it's you really have to.
Is. You gotta work for it.
Exactly. That's where it's like they're making you work enough for it. I see what they're doing.
Yeah.
I get what YouTube's doing.
Yeah.
It's like they want to make sure that you want it, that you're gonna do, you're invested into it.
Yeah, that it's not just like casual.
Because if I go look on my videos now, like if you ever look on my YouTube channel, some of my videos already have commercials.
Oh, really?
Yup. And then I've looked into that and they say, well, if your video's already getting commercials and you're not monetized yet, they're just setting it up because they're gonna monetize it.
Oh, cool.
They're just seeing how your commercials do before you even get monetized.
Yeah.
Like I get nothing off of that.
Oh, you don't?
No, not now because I'm not monetized. So monetizing means you'll
Get
like
that
I've
money.
already set a bank account up for the money to go into.
Oh, really?
They've already allowed me to do that.
Oh, cool.
And then now I'm waiting on getting my 4,000 hours. Once that happens, then they send it for review to make sure that you have no strikes. Like for Instagram, like following their policy and everything.
Yeah.
Like I didn't get a strike, but I had a video pulled down. You know what I mean? Because I had music in the background that wasn't mine that got copyrighted.
Oh.
So that wasn't a strike. But if it would have been, I wouldn't be able to monetize.
Right.
You'd have to wait until they, whatever they feel that it's been enough time, and then they'll let you
Lift it, yeah.
So it's like you really got to kind of hone into, doing what they want you to do, and it's kind of a cool process.
Yeah, for sure.
On my shorts, I get like a few thousand views.
Yeah.
On the shorts, you have to have 10 million views in 90 days.
To monetize them?
10 million views in 90 days. So anything,
that's crazy.
like just say the 91st day, you had a video that got 30,000, they'll strip that 30,000 views off your thing to monetization. So it's like in 90 days, you got to get 10 million views. Like with me, I got to get 4,000 watch hours in a year.
Yeah.
And the year keeps, altering. And
right.
And do you want any lineup or hard part or anything?
No.
Okay. I didn't think so. You never do. That's
I do. Natural.
Hey, and what are you wearing in your hair?
I use... Shit, I can't remember what it's called.
Whatever it is.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
It's like sea salt is the scent or something like that.
Yeah, I like it.
Method Man, I want to say. I don't know if you've ever seen that.
Yeah,
stuff.
I've seen it. The Method or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sea salt.
Yep.
That's high end.
Yeah, it just smells really nice.
And it's high end. It isn't all like heavy in the hair.
No, that's why I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, if the only people that don't wear my hair products are the guys that wear like sea salt and stuff.
Yeah.
Because everyone here wears high end shit.
And I like
the
this.
sea salt I'm a fan of.
Yeah, and it
just
can
it's
give you
high
some
end.
good texture too.
Absolutely.
That's why I like it.
Yeah.
And if it smells good, it feels good when you put it on, yeah.
Well, see, watch, look. So I just got sponsored by another company. So this is a certain brand, 1821. Product works great.
Yeah.
But when you smell it, look, and there's nothing against this. A lot of people love it. I don't like the Tom Ford vibe. So for me, it's like I don't like musky. So
yeah.
A new company that has their products the same price just sponsored me, and now I'm retailing those.
That's a good product.
And that smells good.
I've seen those before.
And so
I've actually wanted to try those in the past.
so this quicksand is like a sea salt of what you have.
Yeah.
I've used a ton of it. It's just gritty, sandy. It's real textury. It's like nothing's in your hair.
Yeah. Yeah, I always get something that like doesn't smell too strong, but it smells like clean.
Yeah, because we wear cologne, dude. I can't be overpowered.
I don't want
with
my hair. Yeah.
Exactly. What are you gonna throw on a Venice Creed and then your hair smells like tobacco? And I'm not making fun of that. I'm just saying it's like, dude. I could see if you're not wearing any cologne and you're just doing that hair product or whatever.
Then that's fine.
And you have deodorant on, you have a clean smell to you. That could be a vibe.
You're just clean.
Not a vibe I'm wearing, but I'm gonna be clean. But I'm also want something clean scent in my hair, like a lemony, like something that's just clean. Even a tangerine type vibe, but not really musky of any sort.
Anything strong, no.
And nothing really too strong at all. I want it to have a tiny bit of a smell, but not much of a smell.
No.
Like if you get close, you could smell something high end in my hair. That's all I want you to smell.
Yeah, I agree.
If someone's close, they can tell. Like how I could tell right away. I said, "Oh, he has something good in his hair."
Yeah.
It's like I can tell right away if it's good or not. Cause I'm not one of the haters. It's like, "Oh, you're wearing that? Buy this or dude." Dude, he's still wearing something high end. It's like, I don't fucking...
Something good.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Now, if you were in a fucking hair gel, then I'd pull you out of that motherfucker immediately.
I had to learn.
Just because I couldn't imagine you in hair gel. There's no fucking way.
Back when I didn't know anything.
It's not high end enough for you.
No.
And there's nothing wrong, some people will wear it, but not many.
No.
Because there's clays, paste, pomades now. It's like you don't really need to go the gel route.
I know. I feel like at one point it
It's
seems like all there used to be was gel.
Exactly. And it was Johnny B.
Yeah, exactly.
That shit's junk, sorry.
No, it is.
Like,
I don't think anybody, it's probably not even good for your hair either.
No, it isn't. That's exactly right.
It like dries your hair out.
Yeah, but it's also, it's like a glue in your hair.
No.
You can't even move your hair.
That's why clays and pastes are a lot better.
Yeah.
Waxes absolutely. Even.
And wax at the heaviest.
Yep.
I don't even really... But I do have the waxes. There is a couple guys that get them.
Yeah.
Instead of the gel, just say they're doing a hard part comb over that's real sleek to the side or something, or combed real heavy to the side, not really styled.
Yeah.
Or natural flowing, then you can use a wax.
Yeah.
But even for natural flowing, I use a light paste, or
really?
I use a light clay. If their hair's a little bit thinner, I use a light clay. But now that I have the Hands de Foucault, I could use a skin cream, a modifying pomade, a sponge wax. Like there's, they have those same ones, but without the scent.
Oh, for sure.
So now it's like, now it's getting good. And some people are diehard 1821 because they like that smell.
Oh, really?
And that's good for them.
Yeah.
It's like, cool, dude, I have that. It's right here. It does smell fire. It's in the glass jar. It's just, you know what I mean? I'm not a tobacco-y kind of guy.
No, me either.
Like, you know what I mean? Remember reading, I don't even really like the Tom Ford.
Yeah.
Look, this Tom Ford is okay. Watch, I'll show you the only like musky one that I think is somewhat okay. Smell that one.
Oh yeah. That
See how
smells
that
good.
one? Yeah. See it? Do you smell it or not?
No, I smell it.
See how that one's?
Because it's like kind of fresh, kind of leathery.
Yes, I love you for that. Damn, you fucking nailed it.
Because it's not.
Yeah, you nailed it.
Because
It's
some
like,
leather is like, it just really smells like pure leather, which
yeah,
is like,
god damn.
which is okay for some people, but
Yeah.
like I don't really like that kind of
Exactly. Hell no, you don't want to smell like your grandfather. It's like
No.
fucking Jovan Musk. It's like god
thing.
damn.
No. It needs to have like a little bit of freshness to it, I think.
Someone's like, oh,
If
do you
it's
remember that
leather.
Dakar Nor? It's like,
Oh yeah.
dude, it's like god damn though.
That's what my dad wears.
Yeah, see what I mean? That shit stinks though. That's some low end shit. Would you agree?
Probably.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love. God. And well, our parents weren't, you know, they didn't know better about like Tom Ford or
No,
this,
and
they were-
that stuff probably wasn't even around when they were.
exactly. But Dakar Nor, I wouldn't wear.
No, that's like it's old.
Exactly.
That's old school.
It's like wearing Old Spice. It's the equivalency to that. Like,
Yeah.
Is it really on a cologne level?
Oh, absolutely.
And do you want anything in your hair?
Sure, yeah.
All right, watch. I'll bust that quicksand in there just so you can take that
See
on
how
a
it
test
feels.
run and see if it's any good.
Yeah.
Because I know the kind of products you like now. You're picky with your products, which is good.
Yeah, and like
you
if I
only
find
like
something,
ultra high end shit.
yeah, and when I find something that I like, I usually stick to it.
Because you're not even a pomade guy. Just
No.
saying, like you don't do this whole shine thing and everything.
No, I like
Yours
low.
is more natural, nourishing.
I like
fucking-
low shine. Minimal shine.
Yeah, watch. I have something good for you.
And something with like with a good hold too.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, you like something with a higher hold?
Usually.
I have something with a higher hold and something with a less higher hold in the same kind of mat. Which one would you prefer? Higher
Probably the
hold?
higher hold.
All right, then I'll use the claymation.
Hell yeah.
Watch, this one will be sick too. This is like the #1 seller for them.
Oh really?
Yep. Watch, I'll completely dry it before I put this claymation in. Because watch, I like to have it real dry.
Oh really?
Yeah, that way it's just real natural. Watch, you'll see. Good. See, that's why I like having different shit now where it comes where you can talk about the hold.
Yeah.
Now I have matte things that have different holds. Because the clay and paste is just a mid hold. But
Oh,
now with
okay.
the hands de Foucault, I have a super high hold, I have a high hold, a mid hold.
Yeah, all kinds of.
Yeah. And watch, this one will be fucking fire with this far. Guys, this is the claymation. This is what it looks like. And then I just take probably that much, dime size amount, pop it right over on here. Just come in, look, kind of work it to where it gets a light layer on your hand. And that's it. And then just pop that in. Easy. Hey, what up, dude?
brother?
What are you up to?
Not much, you?
Nah, just kicking it. And see how that came out?
Yeah.
And that's with the claymation on there. And I'll show you the mirror for the back so you can see it. What are you opening now or?
Yeah.
Sick. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just kind
I can't wait to cut your hair again with these
of.
new clippers. That's what I'm like,
That's
fuck,
what I was
dude.
just looking for.
Like I want to do
Hell
that.
yeah.
Sick.
You
Perfect.
like them?
Yeah, I
Perfect.
love them, dude. They're fucking gas. And then see, watch. And now stand up and move just to make sure really watch. You can see it. Sick.
Yeah, this is exactly what I needed.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Yeah.